An Islamabad-based think tank expert has said history has proved that containment policy doesn't solve problems. Instead, it would aggravate tension and lead to conflict.
If we look at a country's interests, how they would like to contain certain countries, they always do that, and over the time period we have seen that in the Cold War, in World Wars as well, and later when you look at this crisis, we see that there's a lot of miscalculations. We see that there's a lot of kind of anger coming out, and we have seen that the countries who were not taking sides globally, they were remained as neutral for so many centuries, but they became part of this crisis. There were sentiments on both sides. I would say that not only Russia, but of course this European side, NATO side, there was a tension rising on both sides. Is that there is a need for dialogue and diplomacy, even though there is a war, there's things are happening going on, but there is a need of sense of responsibility from all sides to resolve this conflict, so that there should not be humanitarian crisis as we have seen. And this is very important time in our Earth's, our world's safety and security.